Let me show you all ringtones in Glyph matrix lights made for those ringtones on a Nothing Phone 3. So we're gonna go to sound and vibration in order to of course find the phone ringtone, and I'm gonna start with the generative mode. Over here in this case, if we go to the list of sounds, as you can see here we have the preview. Let me actually volume it up a little bit. Okay, so we have diode that looks like this. Let me play it again. And of course this is the Glyph matrix lights presentation, and there is also chemical. So we have right now only two choices in terms of generative mode, but we can also go to classic, and over here if we go to the ringtone, let's go to nothing signals. So these you may recognize from other nothing devices. Here's the ripple, pulse, wings, dolphin, I accidentally left, so let's go back. Anna. No, okay, that's it. There's also sticks. Wizard. Hammer. And this thing, CLWB. Yeah, so these are all nothing signals and the generative mode signals that we have on Nothing Phone 3. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.